sequence that was!
Simulan natin sa block at slam dunk ni Kristaps Porzingis. At kung hindi ka pa nai-impress dyan, panoorin mo ang palitan ng slam dunk nila Damian Lillard at LBJ.
James Harden Statue of Liberty.
Magtutuloy-tuloy pa sana yan kung hindi lang tumawag ng timeout ang Blazers. Pero mas impressive pa din ang 5 points ni Luka Doncic sa loob ng 6 seconds.
Machetes is way in. Stolen by Doncic. A three.
At gaya ng ganyang moment, panoorin mo din si Rudy Fernandez.
Rodriguez is still one. That's what a play! How did they pull that off? Fernandez the steal.
At kung wild sequence ng mga bigating superstar ang hanap mo, panoorin natin ang moment nila LBJ at Kevin Durant.
James wanted a foul as Klay Thompson rushes up the floor. Durant quickly to the basket with authority. Love the outlet pass to James.
Grabe, ang wild ng sequence na yun. Pero may mas wild pa ba kung parehas kayong nagpalitan ng windmill dunks sa mismong laro?
Top of the basketball, jumping ahead of the field, slides it down. Miles Bridges.
Dapat siguro sa slam dunk contest nyo ginawa yan. At kung may palitan tayo ng dunk, syempre, meron din tayong palitan ng block.
Locked inside by Bob Newton. Once again, Blazers are trying to do it.
At kung gusto mong makakita ng classic moment, panoorin mo ang sequence na ito mula kay LBJ.
Calls a timeout. Looking to the front court. Here's LeBron. James, he heads off.
At hindi lang sa Minnesota niya ginawa yan, dahil minsan niya din itong ginawa sa laban kontra Indiana.
Makes his move. 3 seconds left. Cleveland triggers in. James, 2 seconds. 1 second for the win.
What if balik na rin natin ang sitwasyon? Unahin natin ang basket bago ang defense.
Numbers turn around and find the open man. Leonard races up. Come on and shoot it. Harden.
Sa laki ba naman ng kamay ni Kawhi, malabong hindi niya masusupalpal ang bola. At panoorin naman natin ang palitan ng 3-point nila Victor Oladipo at Russell Westbrook.
Win it or go to overtime. Oladipo, long shot. He drilled it. Pure magic. Westbrook.
Nakakamiss din talaga ang prime Russell Westbrook. Ganun na din ang Blazers Damian Lillard.
He won from Lillard. Oh my goodness.
After ng basket na yan, nakakuha pa ng jump ball ang Blazers. At ang sumunod na nangyari ay talaga namang wild.
6 seconds left. Tap to the Blazers. Loose ball to Lillard. A three for the win. Oh my goodness.
Talagang napaka-clutch ng player na to. At ibalik naman natin sa 2008 nang magpakawala ng dalawang clutch basket si Brandon Roy sa laban kontra Rockets.
Austin gets it in. Here's Yao Ming with a fadeaway. He ties the game. There's Blake to Roy. This is for the win.
At sa susunod na video, balikan natin ang wild sequence ni Reggie Miller sa laban kontra Knicks.
Miller for three. And he got it. Reggie Miller with a clutch tray. And it's 105-102. And a steal. Miller retreats to the three-point line. Tie game.
At sabi nga nila, it's not over until it's over. Gaya na lang ng mangyari ang hindi inaasahang game winner ni Derek Fisher with less than 1 second on the clock.
He gets doubled. Shaq all over. He gets away a fadeaway. Unbelievable. They get it to Fisher. He scores! Fisher scores at the buzzer.
Kapag ganyang oras na lang ang natitira, asahan mo, dadampi na lang sa kamay mo yung bola.